drag race.
Yes, sir.
Have that and your photo ID ready, and you'll head this way.
Is there that many people that need to register?
Yeah, I think the car show is gonna be a big contributor. All right, so we have arrived at Holly Mo Party and we are getting ready to get registered here. Let's we can go see what this process looks like. Hopefully it's not pulling teeth like it was at Roadkill Nights. Shout out to Motor Trend for making that a little tougher than it probably should have been, but it's okay because we made it through it. So let's go get registered. Let's finish off my wife's strawberry refresher because it's kind of good and I brought absolutely nothing, so my mom. I wonder if this is all like under the same ownership or
Like the track and
yeah.
theme park and everything? How about that director of operations job?
All right.
Got to orchestrate everybody.
Man, got to take care of kids shitting in the pool
Yeah.
and guys putting in the wall at 90 on the drag strip. Jesus Christ, that's stressful.
There's a turd in the pool and someone just hit the wall. How do you want to proceed?
Drag race?
Yes,
Crew member?
I do. She is right there.
Okay, cool. What vehicle you got with us?
2005 Dodge Magnum.
So you changed yours?
First one in the world.
You
Sweet.
did have a 18 Challenger
Yes,
Burgundy?
yes, it changed last minute. Bad differential.
No problem. We'll allow it.
Thank you very much.
Dodge Magnum?
Yep,
Oh, those are cool. And what color is that?
it is burgundy.
You like that color?
I have 3 vehicles that are that
They're
color.
all burgundy?
Yes.
Well, looks good on you then.
Thanks.
All right.
What's today? 9/12?
All right, we're all checked in successfully. We're headed back to the pits. Gonna go get the car staged up and make sure everything's ready to go. Then eventually make a test pass. We'll see you guys.
We're really excited and scared at the same time.
Thanks. Is it bumpy? What do you think, Ace?
I liked it.
Yeah. You got a bigger jack stand?
Yeah.
Cool.
Pull that out. Ready to go. You got a third one?
Yeah, right over here. All right, so I'm putting in some transmission fluid in her. We're just doing a little top off. We had some shifting issues in our last outing at XRP. Whenever I left off the 2-step, I feel like we were just low enough on fluid from all the forces pushing it back that it caused it to fall on its face and it wasn't shifting properly. So we're gonna top it off with some fluid and see if we can get some good shifts and a clean pass out of it. We have almost added a full quart of ATF to this thing, and it ain't dripping yet. So we're just going to keep going, and we're going to see how much she'll take. Because, well, apparently you can't really overfill 8 speeds. So, we ain't dripping yet, though. One love! Come on, come on.
might try shutting your mouth while I've got something to say. I set the fire, I watch you burn. Accept forgiveness, now it's your turn. I'll set the fire down, I watch you.
Yep, so we're getting our tires down to pressure, then we're gonna pull over into the staging lanes. They've already called us down there, so we're about ready to go and see what we can do on this surface. Hopefully it's a little better than yesterday. Everyone was doing some spinning yesterday, but I think we're gonna be able to get down, so. All right, I'm rolling. What's going on, man? How you doing?
You
Very
can
nice.
tell when you see a Grand National.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
They got that tone.
Right.
This was my favorite tire I ever raced on.
Yeah?
Yep.
What are you on now? Tell me. No way. You like these better than these?
Because my car was just on a dyno tune,
Yeah.
and I had a 17-inch race start,
Okay.
and I had that tire. I'd hook up almost, if I was in the groove, out of the groove, didn't matter. It was only making like 760 wheels.
Fair.
August of last year,
Yeah.
granted the car was down for a bit, but I mean, I've been doing pass after pass, and it's been fine.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
So these pro brackets are where it's at.
And they said you can go well past the wear bars.
From Mickey.
From Mickey.
Mickey claims you should go well past the wear bars. You can still make it.
I did in fact go well past the wear bars to the point where it was pretty soft, and I never saw wire. Yeah, I ran them that way up until about 3 weeks ago. I just changed them, but I wasn't on a 1100 horsepower setup. I was on like a 950, so a little more room for forgiveness there.
What do you use on Scarlet? These?
Yes, I use these now. Yeah. So I ran. These were my original Scarlet wheels and tires. Put some new tires on there, but this is what I ran on Scarlet until I switched to the 15s, and I had the same power on both wheels, and I noticed that I was burning through these a hell of a lot faster than I was these.
Yeah, because I'd go through, going past the wear bars, I'd go through 2 of those in a season, and this I can make last all year, or all season.
I am on my second or third set at this point, and yeah, they last several months. I could get maybe 6 events out of these in Scarlet, so.
What kind of wheels you got on Scarlet now?
Same thing.
Enduros on a 15 though?
Yeah, they're 15s, Weld S71s. They're the forged, yeah. And then the fronts, I swapped this between Scarlet and I just haven't bought fronts yet. It was low in the budget priority.
I understand.
I like those Illumistars. That's what I want to put on Scarlet. Yeah.
11 o'clock this morning, you will not be on Dodge Girl Rides.
That puts me in a tough position. Thank you, sir.
I love the mag. Magnum Misfits, we're a strictly Magnum car club.
Okay.
And we got places, people all over. I run the Tennessee chapter.
Awesome. Hell yeah.
So we got a few guys coming out here, and so anytime I see Magnum, man, I just love the machines.
They're badass
Yeah,
cars,
good
man.
run, man.
Thank you, sir.
Congrats.
All right, so we finally got a time slip out of old Hurricane Maggie here. We are still on the Roadkill Nights tune, so there's much improvement to be made. That is a no prep tune. We just went out there, left off a little bit of boost. We could definitely turn that up as well. The brakes are holding very well off the line. And we ended up with a 976 at 137 mile an hour. That is outrunning my cert for this track. So I got to dial it back a little bit. And let's see if we can lock in right at a 10-0, I think. I'm going to give Brandon a call, have him get up on the keys, and see if we can pull about a 2.5 tenths out of it. Then we'll be running some consistent 10s today, and I'll be happy with that. So stick around and find out what we do. So that first rip, we went out and she impressed the hell out of me like she always does. Went out, ran a 9.7. Actually outran my speed cert for this track, so didn't get kicked out yet. So now we're gonna go and we're gonna take a little bit out of it. We're gonna go try to race that 10.0 index and see if we can be competitive in the 10.0. And then if we get booted, if we get booted from the 10.0, we're gonna put a moon tune in it and we're going for the world record for the Hurricane platform. So right now, the record is a 937 at 137 miles an hour, I believe. And that is with upgraded big single turbos. We're still on the stock twin turbos, and we're not spraying the nitrous yet, today anyways. So we're just gonna see what we can do with these stock turbos. And I really think, even if we don't get the fastest time, we are gonna break that mile an hour record, and we are gonna have the fastest, maybe not the quickest, but the fastest hurricane-powered anything on the planet, at least for a couple weeks. So we'll see. Stick around. Full transparency, that went exactly how I thought it was gonna go. Pull up, first round duck to a bracket racer. Dude popped a .014. So my .066 was nothing for him. I wasn't too far off the dial in, a couple tenths. For us not having any test passes, it's kind of right where I expected it to fall, not surprised. But now let's do something that I think I'm prioritizing a little higher, and I have been over the last couple hours mentally. And let's put a moon tune in this bitch and put our names in a book, huh?
Now fired up. There you go.
So we stopped by Mr. Boosted Motorsports tent, lined us up a grudge race before we hit the road. So we're gonna go out there and I won't say we moon tuned it, but she's leaving quite a bit harder than she left this morning on that 9.7 run. So we're gonna go see what we can do. We also took the intake off, so we should be able to pick up a little bit more airflow that way. And we're gonna go out there and see if we can not only wax the floor with Mr. O'Malley, but also set that Hurricane world record. So see what we can do.
What is he doing? What's wrong?
He's not letting me grudge race. I didn't register for grudge.
You're talking a little
It's testing tune though.
It's test and tune grudge.
Hey, I'll be back. They're not letting me race. Give me a moment. Ambassadors for Dodge, and we're just looking to make a video for both Mo Party and for Dodge for this case.
But you don't have an entry into grudge testing tune. You secured your entry for street case. So I'm giving you something that if I give it to you, I got to give it to 30 other people out here that haven't purchased that.
Can I purchase it right now?
No, all that's closed as of this afternoon.
Okay.
See my problem?
I completely understand.
If I do that, I got 100 guys out here that want to make another hit. No, if you guys want to do this tomorrow and you secure it through Holly and bring it to me, and it's approved to bypass that problem that I have, I'll make it work, but not tonight. No.
Okay.
I can't do that. I've had 50 guys like you come up and ask me to make a hidden grudge testing tune tonight.
Okay.
It's not fair. I can't do that.
Okay. Fair.
Y'all me?
I do. Okay. Appreciate it. Next time, man.
What did they say?
Because I didn't purchase into grudge and test and tune. All right, so we are here day 3 at Holly Mo Party, and we are going to go for this record pass today. We did not get to make that pass last night because we weren't registered for the grudge test and tune. Some technicalities, no big deal. That's not on the staff. That's probably on us. I didn't read the rules. Shit happens. But we're going to go out there. We're going to see if we can make this record pass today. Not only the quickest, but the fastest. We want to take the mile an hour and the quickest TT in the quarter. So stick around, see what we can do, huh?
I give it all that I thought will never swear. I give it all, straight to the top, will never swear. I give it all that I have, I let it be, 'cause nobody's better than me.
I was hoping I could get it lighter than that, but we built it to be lighter than that. But
Yeah.
by the time we got the all-wheel drive cradles and everything, it's
A lot.
not much more weight we can get out of it.
Right. Do you plan on only autocrossing it or drag racing it?
So
or?
I did drag and drive earlier this year,
Yeah.
the circuit.
Nice.
And I drag raced it at our local track, but really it was built for autocross.
Nice. That's cool.
I found out about their challenge here, like the Grand Champion, where you do like the drag racing, the autocross,
Yeah.
do all that stuff. But I didn't get entered into it. I didn't understand what it was until
Right.
after I was here. And oh, that was.
Yeah.
1198 is what he's been fast with the quarter.
Very nice. That's moving for that truck. That's awesome.
But you gotta think too, the gear ratios are not the greatest for getting out of the pole.
Yeah.
So I'm stuck with a 307.
I don't know, that was close. That was a ripper, but I just don't feel like she had the top end she needed. Out of the hole, didn't feel as strong as I was hoping it would. It wasn't bad, but it wasn't quite there. Bring the loader back on the trailer, and we're gonna see if we can turn it up and do some tuning, I think, for a passive to Texas Motorplex on some, at our home track. So, I think it's only fitting that we break the record there because, well, like I said, that's our home track. That's where we come up. Thank you. Yeah, that was slow. All right, so we got a 9812 at 135 mile an hour. And I think I know what happened. I'm barely certain that 1.2% was just enough to essentially load the exact same tune last time. So, unfortunate, but hey, we'll get after it and we'll try it again. She's still got loads of power. We just need to get on the keyboard and spend a little more time doing what we gotta do. So, until then, go load this on the trailer and hit the road, huh? I'm ready to get home.